Hi, I will show you how to create a skew text with long shadow effect like this. And yes, you still can customize your text. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Prepare your text and font. After that, go to smear effect here and just drag the text from one point to another point. Now go to Windows, Appearance. This is some kind of details of the effects that's going on the text. Activate the stroke here and choose your color. And also don't forget to choose the color for the fill. Adjust everything that you need here and there. For now the shadow, click here, choose Distort and Transform. Now I will add something on the moves and copies. And this is the result. You can customize it as much as you want. And yes, once again, you still can change the text on it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon